What's happening, y'all? I smacked the market across the head with the trade that I did in my last video that I showed y'all yesterday. But now I'm gonna show y'all another trade, and I'm gonna stick with the same stock. I'm gonna give y'all Apple stock. With Apple stock today, it went in the uptrend. I made around $300 on that trade. I ended up getting out later than I should have. I could have made 500, but at least I came out profitable. So now if you're gonna trade Apple stock tomorrow, you wanna trade Apple stock going downwards. As you know, the market is fearful. If you look at the fear and greed index, the fear and greed index is around 31 out of 100. So it's a lot of fear in the market still. So you gotta keep that in mind when you're trading. I also drew out some levels of support and resistance for y'all to look at during your trade, and you gotta pay attention to these levels, because the stock will always respect these levels. Sometimes it'll blow past support on the downside, and sometimes it'll pass resistance on the uptrend, but you got to pay attention to it because most of the time it respects these levels. So Apple has a level of support around 170 and resistance around 171. Looking at the chart after close, I did see that the stock is going down during close hours. So I want to look for that. I want to see if it's going to continue that trend before the market opens. If it's still going down, that means it's going to do a gap up tomorrow. And that's the only way I'm going to do this trade. Remember, your analysis can sometimes be wrong. So you want to look at pre-market to make sure that you confirm your trade and you know exactly what you're going to do tomorrow. Right now, what I see it looks like Apple is forming a bear flag. Apple looks like it's forming a bear flag. I also see a bearish Harambe. So the chart is telling me that it's going down, but also with the gap up that the stock formed today, there's a gap that still needs to be filled. So Apple still has to fill that gap. So it has to gap down in order to fill that gap. So I'm very positive about Apple going down tomorrow after the big wins that I got today. I meant to take a screenshot of my trade today. I forgot to do that for y'all, but I'm gonna do it again tomorrow, and I'm gonna screenshot my results on that trade. I gave y'all the trade for the day. I made it short and sweet. No extra talking, no BS, no none of that. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'm gonna take you from losing trades to winning trades on a daily basis.